This is the elevator at Goldfarb Hall, Washington University, here in St. Louis. It's a long. Well, this is an interesting layout. I guess 3R, 3F. Huh. Okay, it opened R anyway. I guess if I just see something here. Oh, that's right, you can't do that with a long. I find that interesting. So I guess we'll go back down to LL. This panel is also a lot taller than most longs. Like the indicator is more up to my eye level, which is rather interesting. Huh, that's interesting. So the button works, it looks like it's locked. So we'll go down to the E level. This is kind of a rather interesting panel because to me it would make sense if the 3R was here, but it almost appears that this is another level up. I like this door frame. It's really neat.